So this is the power charging.
Okay.
Okay, very big one.
Ah.
140 watts.
140 watts.
And this is the key. Additional key.
Oh, additional
you
key.
can use.
So different
This one typing.
typing one. Okay.
Yes. So this thing is you click then and then you can take
So
out easily.
so this the tool going to install the thing.
Take out the inner one.
Oh.
You want to use this hand also can.
Oh.
So here will be light.
Okay.
And then this you can take out and change also.
Okay.
Another tool here.
So can replace also.
You
Okay.
can replace. Depend you want to replace or no one. Then the inner key the inner key will be same. Only this all you can take out.
Okay, take out. Okay.
Later when I done the update, I open and do the setup for you. You can see the
How
the
to?
keyboard already.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So next time, if let's say this 1 terabyte, because let's say if you know enough, you also can
Take out.
You can take the receipt, come back and find me.
You can.
Help you to do.
If we want to upgrade
Yes. The storage, mostly 1 terabyte, a lot.
Yeah, a lot ready. I think enough ready, right?
Yes, they can do a lot of things already. Let's say he told you no enough. Then no choice, you need to purchase the external. As long as you purchase the NVMe, the SSD, and you come back, you will have the thing. Now one is here.
Okay. So this one top additional.
Yes. the additional is putting here one.
Oh, okay.
Then this is the what for the rib. Really easy, right?
Yeah.
Before I screw back.
Okay. Oh, this one.
Yeah. This one not normal like
Normal one.
this one you see the key they all got line one.
Oh, I see.
This
Okay.
one don't have one. That's why different.
Then I thought this one they have the light here. No, also. Oh, here.
This one, see this one no.
Oh, this one have. Oh, different. Huh?
Because gaming one.
Gaming. Yeah.
Most they want this.
Oh.
The atmosphere, the feel of the environment. Maybe slower a bit. Just do the update. So once go back already, I do for you the setup. Go back home, you still need to do the update for the laptops and their software. So once you're done already, your laptop will come. Like he can close the line.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Like that one, they cannot see man. They cannot see
Correct, yeah,
the ABC man. But this one they can see.
They have also. Oh.
And this one can change also.
Can change also.
You want? Then next time, if let's say your son he want change to bigger screen, they want to use monitor, you buy 165 to 180 hertz one.
Oh.
More than that also cannot 240.
Okay, na.
Don't need buy 144 enough already.
144 lah.
144 enough already. You're all 144 you can G-Sync, they can overclock one. No problem. Just now, not enough power.
Not enough power.
Well, they have battery, but not much. But for gaming type of laptop, no matter what brand, you plug with unplug, the speed different. You normal do, you won't feel, but you play game, you will feel. Without the plug, they will hang one.
Oh.
Without the plug, but with hook one, they won't hang one.
So how long the charging this one?
This one?
Same.
They always charge one. So for this kind of laptops, you charge for 24 hours, 48 hours, no issue one. As long as you shut down or you close it at a sleep mode, it's okay one. That one no problem one. 你帮我做一下，我出去跟你。我有之前他们都到这里看不到，自己的快点快点。现在做什么？在那盘子里面对了。
day you come also, right?
Yeah.
Looking for the MSI one.
Yeah.
Is it?
So just compare first, MSI, Lenovo, Legion. I think this one better. The Acer.
It's 4080, this one. What name you want to put?
Email
No, your name.
name Jeff.
J?
JEF.
F.
Jeff lah.
Jeff. Password you set at your home lah.
Okay. Actually, this one is for my son. That's why I put Jeff. But anytime he can change the name.
Yes.
Okay.
Where your son? Here? Your son?
No,
here?
in Philippines. Just now you said Singapore. Is it okay? Because he will use it in Philippines.
Singapore, then the warranty you need to bring back here lah.
The warranty lah.
But if you take the one just last time I give you the one 3070, the one international.
International. Okay. So this one only Asia must bring back here.
Must bring back here. If not, then you need to pay.
Let's say if I go Asia Philippines, you must pay.
Have to pay, yes.
Not cover the warranty.
They will cover, but not free service.
But after this, for the box,
Okay.
so you need to take a picture on here because I will cut this one.
Okay.
Okay, why is because the free outlet is from Acer, so we need to submit to them. So this one is for your warranty register.
So must save this photo.
I need to cut out this one. So you need to take picture first.
Okay.
You take picture first.
Okay.